Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. Now, this is your rainbow seed maintenance weekly light body calibration. Let's check out what is the goal of this week's light body focus. I am loved. I am love. Ooh! Crown Chakra. Interesting. We are focusing. Your light body is focusing on your crown chakra. Your crown chakra is not just an inner knowing. It's not just knowledge. This is spiritual vigilance. This is experiencing expansion within your life. So this does not come as a lesson or a feeling. This comes from a moment where you are blessed to utilize your information in real life. This isn't being book smart. This is being able to utilize whatever knowledge you have been gathering this cycle in a real live moment, and that creates the wisdom. And your spirit, this is the main meat of why your spirit chose this life as a human, is to experience with you. Woo! Crown Chakra. This is very exciting. I believe this is the first time we've had our light body focus on a chakra. So it's not saying it needs maintenance. It is saying this week will be a Crown Chakra week. I'm seeing a lot. They're showing me a lot. I'm seeing possibility of becoming anxious with downloads. I'm seeing possibility of becoming overwhelmed with an experience, but what this calibration is showing is that you have the wisdom, they want me to correct that, you have the knowledge to de-escalate whatever situation you will be experiencing, and to remove and transmute the anxiety and transmute the overwhelm. Woo! You have the opportunity to transmute that. Let's check out where you are being upgraded energetically, especially with being focused on the crown chakra. I'm seeing utilizing the violet flame. I'm seeing utilizing a lot of purple crystals. I'm seeing amethyst, super 7, serpentine, atlantisite, lepidolite. They're also showing me a sense of being attracted to over-consuming knowledge. Ooh, that card held a lot. Let's see where the energy upgrade is. Oh my goodness. Initiation time. And we're getting whale energy. This is stunning. You are being initiated into a new position of wisdom. There is a deep connection with the spiritual realm this week. Deep trust. If you connect with ancient ones, There are ancient whale elders that are around you at this time to assist you with your crown chakra. Ooh, this may be a meditation that I add to the Rainbow Sanctum, because they are giving me a lot of information right now. Let's see what chakra does need maintenance to help sustain this initiation with the elders for your crown chakra. You are ready, though. There is a sense that you feel like you're not ready. We are coming up on a first quarter in Taurus, which can bring physical challenges, but no, you have everything that you need to overcome these challenges. These challenges are actually an initiation. This makes so much sense. Your root chakra needs maintenance. Ground and center. Ooh, you are going to feel so ungrounded, and now I see why. Because if you focus on only your root chakra, this whatever is about to come and challenge you, and I say challenge sparingly because it's not a challenge, it's an initiation. It's a test from spirit to see how strong your faith is. They are testing your crown chakra to see how strong your faith is in a certain situation. They want to see, okay, you have been hanging on, you have been believing in yourself, in the scenarios around you, and researching and practicing. Let's put it to the test. But you have to maintain your root chakra. You have to maintain your stability. You have to make sure fear doesn't overcome you. You have to feel safe during this initiation and know that your knowledge is being tested to see if you have the ability to change it into wisdom. Ooh-wee. Exciting. It's one of those, let's go. Oh my goodness, exciting. Whew. Who is supporting your manifestations this week? Who is supporting you in making sure you don't fall into a fear loop and supporting this initiation? Crystal child. So whether you are a crystal being or you have a connection with crystal beings or crystals in general, yes, crystals are going to be your best friend this week. Even channeling with crystals. I love channeling with crystals. If you have a crystal collection and have yet to use it, this is the week that they want to be heard. They want to make sure you stay grounded. They're removing falsehood. They're removing fears that are getting in the way of you connecting with everything around you and your true wisdom. Whoa. For alignment, for this to align within your light body, what needs self-care? Luminescence. Luminescence, your coherence. See how this mer being has the heart and there are these wavelengths? Your coherence matters. So some of you may be saying, well, Everin, what if I am afraid, but I still push through and have faith and accomplish the task? I initiate through a moment. Does it still count? And luminescence comes in because it's saying it's not to avoid the fear or say you're not fearful. It's overcoming the fear. It's transmuting it. It's doing it even when the fear comes bubbling up. So there's going to be a moment where you realize, wait, my center, my stability, my strength is more powerful, and this moment is temporary. And keeping your heart in coherence the entire time, making sure your energy, your emotions, your focus is in continuing to have faith, is what keeps things moving. It's what keeps things going, and that's the purpose. Not accomplishing it just because, but accomplishing it because it did scare you and you still experienced the moment anyways. You didn't hide from it. This is very powerful. This week is going to shift you. This week can either age you, or they're showing me like a pool of eternal living, eternal life versus aging. And that's the difference. Are you going to allow this to age you and set you back and bring you down, or are you going to allow this experience to bring your vitality back and even connect you even closer with a few of your own personal crystals if you work with crystals? Wow, this is beautiful. What I can recommend is, if you work with crystals, having them around to help ground you. When a fear does come up, recognize the fear as a moment to step forward, as a moment that is a stepping stone, and that it is temporary. It is not forever. Beautiful. Congratulations on your Crown Chakra initiation. It is by far not for the weak. Utilize your violet flame energy if you are feeling fear or anxiety or overwhelm. My Rainbow Sanctum Patreon, I always want to say Patreon members, check out for your calibration key, and you may get something a little special because this is an initiation and it feels time to share something that's a bit more involved with your healing. I'll leave it at that. Thank you for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, rainbow, angelic, star, earth seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds. Trust your light. I'll see you next time.